everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now close your eyes for just 5 seconds and imagine a world without trees, no birds singing in the morning, no fresh air to breathe, no clean water and no wildlife. Can you imagine living in such a world? It sounds frightening, doesn't it? Now open your eyes. This is not just an imagination. If we continue to destroy our nature in this current phase, this will become the reality for our future generations. Today, on the occasion of World Nature Conservation Day, let's understand why nature is our greatest treasure, what challenges it faces, and most importantly, what each one of us can do to protect it.
Have you ever wondered where your breakfast comes from? The rice, vegetables, fruits, milk and all spices depends on nature. The rainfall that fills our rivers also begins with healthy forests. Even small bee has an important job. Even smartphones or laptops you are watching this video also depends on nature. Hence, nature connects every moment of our life. Scientists have estimated that millions of organisms living on Earth has a unique purpose. Even bee has an important job. Without bees, pollinating flowers, fruits and vegetables would disappear. If one disappears, whole nature would be weaker.
Sadly, our planet is facing a serious environmental problem. Deforestation. Every minute, forests around the world are being cleared for road, industries, urban development and agriculture.
Thousands of sea turtles, fishes, birds die every day because of plastic pollution. Climate change is no longer a problem of the future. It is happening right now.
Imagine a world without tigers, without elephants, without butterflies, without birds singing in every morning. Many species are becoming endangered because their habitats are disappearing.
India is one of the world's richest countries in biodiversity. From Himalaya to Western Ghats, from Sundarban to Thar Desert, our country is blessed with extraordinary natural beauty.
Many people think, I'm just one person. What difference can I make? The answer is simple. Every great movement begins with one person. One tree planted today can provide oxygen for decades. One reusable water bottle can prevent thousands of plastic bottles from entering landfills. One child educating their family can inspire an entire neighborhood. So never underestimate your impact.
As we conclude, let us remember this powerful message. When the last tree is cut, when the last river is polluted, when the last animal disappears, only then will humanity realize that money cannot be eaten. Let's not wait for that day. Let's act today. Together we can create a greener, cleaner and a healthier planet. Happy World Nature Conservation Day.